Microsoft Azure AZ-104 Certification Dumps. Question number 7. You have an Azure subscription that contains a storage account named Account 1. You plan to upload the disk files of a virtual machine to Account 1 from your on-premises network. The on-premises network uses a public IP address space of 131.1.1.0/24. You plan to use the disk files to provision an Azure virtual machine named VM1. VM1 will be attached to a virtual network named VNet1. VNet1 uses an IP address space of 192.168.0.0/24. You need to configure Account 1 to meet the following requirements. Ensure that you can upload the disk files to Account 1. Ensure that you can attach the disks to VM1. Prevent all other access to Account 1. Which two actions should you perform? Option A. From the firewalls and virtual networks blade of Account 1, add the 131.1.1.0/24 IP address range. Option B. From the firewalls and virtual networks blade of Account 1, select selected networks. Option C. From the firewalls and virtual networks blade of Account 1, add VNet1. Option D. From the firewalls and virtual networks blade of Account 1, select allow trusted Microsoft services to access this storage account. Option E. From the service endpoints blade of VNet1, add a service endpoint. And the correct answer is option B and E. From the firewalls and virtual networks blade of Account 1, select selected networks. And from the service endpoints blade of VNet1, add a service endpoint. Explanation. By default, storage accounts accept connections from clients on any network. To limit access to selected networks, you must first change the default action. Azure portal, navigate to the storage account you want to secure. Click on the Settings menu called Firewalls and Virtual Networks. To deny access, by default, choose to allow access from selected networks. To allow traffic from all the networks, choose to allow access from all networks. Click Save to apply your changes. Grant access from a virtual network storage accounts can be configured to allow access only from specific Azure virtual networks by enabling a service endpoint for Azure storage within the virtual network. Traffic is ensured an optimal route to the Azure storage service. The identities of the virtual network and the subnet are also transmitted with each request. To learn Azure or AWS in detail, please click on the given link below. And for more dumps, like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.